Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. The moving expenses exemption amount has changed for 2012. The amount a taxpayer can deduct for each exemption has increased to $3,800 for tax year 2012. The computation of the base housing amount found on line 32 of Form 2555 is tied to the maximum foreign earned income exclusion. The amount is 16% of the exclusion amount, which is computed on a daily basis, multiplied by the number of days in the qualifying period that fall within the 2012 tax year. For 2012, the amount is $41.57 per day, or $15,216 per year. Please see housing amount under Foreign Housing Exclusion and Deduction in Chapter 4 in IRS Publication 521, Moving Expenses. The amount of qualified housing expenses eligible for the housing exclusion and housing deduction has changed for some locations. Once again, please refer to Publication 521, Moving Expenses. This information can be found under Limit on Housing Expenses. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.